In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see order flow imbalances in TradingView Mobile. Order flow imbalances help you spot where aggressive buyers or sellers are dominating at specific price levels, which can add powerful context to your chart reading. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can start using it right away on your phone. First, open the TradingView app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. From the bottom navigation bar, tap Chart to bring up your main price chart. If you prefer more screen space, rotate your phone to landscape so the candles and overlays are easier to read. Next, tap the indicators icon at the bottom of the screen to open the indicators panel. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type order flow into the search. From the results, choose the order flow tool that displays imbalances on the chart. After adding it, look for a settings or gear icon connected to that indicator. Here you can fine-tune how imbalances appear, adjust visibility, colors, thresholds, or the level of detail so cells and deltas are clear. If the text looks cramped, pinch to zoom on the chart. Order flow data is easiest to read when you're zoomed in enough to see individual price levels. For a more complete view, tap the three dots menu on the chart and select Layout Setup. Choose a multiple view layout to show more than one chart on the screen at once. This is great for comparing different time frames or pairing a clean candle chart with your order flow view side by side. Once selected, both panes will load and you can navigate each independently. A quick note on access. Order flow tools and multi-chart layouts require a premium or higher TradingView plan. If you see a lock icon or the option is grayed out, that's your cue that an upgrade is needed to enable these features. That's all you need to start seeing order flow imbalances on TradingView Mobile. Take a moment to experiment with the settings until the display is readable and useful for your trading workflow.